Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Ahmed. I am working physician in UAE. If you have not joined my clan yet, kindly do it now. Today I'll discuss about the salary of staff nurses in Abu Dhabi. Many people ask me that my answer should be in a single figure or straight away. If you want a single figure answer, it is complex, but I'll give you the answer. The average salary of staff nurses is 6,600 and almost 50 dirham in Abu Dhabi. But this is not the true picture. This is average salary, but to know the true picture, stay connected. As I have already told you that there are two types of setup in UAE in healthcare system. One is government setup and one in private setup. Government setup in Abu Dhabi jobs, they are called Seha. But at the start, it is almost impossible to get a job there in Seha. But as a nursing staff, it's luckily after the experience of 2-3 years, you can apply Seha and there is possibility to get a job there, and salary there will be above 10,000. But as a starter, you will get a job in private setup. Okay. In private setup, there are many types of jobs for nurses, like in schools, small clinics, medium hospitals and big hospitals. Everywhere the salary range is little different. Small and medium clinics salary range is around 5 to 7,000 UAE dirhams. Okay, and in schools and medium type of hospitals, salary is around 6 to 8,000, and big setups, big hospitals give a starting salary of 8 to 10,000. And let me clear you one thing here: this doesn't depend on any experience actually. If you get hired by a good facility, good hospital, you will get a starting salary of 8 to 10,000 regardless of your experience. Experience does matter in an interview. If two nursing are applying for a same seat, then definitely they will prefer for the experienced one. But this can be the job criteria for your job selection, but not for the pay. Actually, what happens is that there are a number of small clinics here, and when you compare small clinic number with the number of hospitals, big hospitals here, the ratio is very high. I don't know the exact ratio, but there may be 200 clinics for one hospital. So in ads and everywhere there will be more job for clinics. So who are in hurry, they will grab the first opportunity, and that will be most likely a hospital, not a hospital, clinic job. Okay. If you have the patience and time to hunt the job, then go for the big hospitals. But again, let me clear you that in small clinics and small setups, you will get salary around 5 to 7,000 in schools, and there is another type, home healthcare services. There also salary range is around 6 to 8,000. But in good setups, they will offer you around 8 to 10,000. So the total salary range here for nurses is 5 to 10,000. Average is very misleading here, because for 6,600 around 50 dirham is a not true picture. That's why in stats they teach us mean, median and mode. That is not the topic here. So best of luck for your job hunt. This was the true picture of your salary. Bye for today.